Welcome to another market update for Santa Clara County. On the single-family home side, median price rose up to 1.6, or an increase of 7.7%, while average jumped up to 1.93 for an increase of 6.7%. Last month sold 858 units, or increase of 47.2%, while pending jumped up to 1289 or 32.7%. Active at 595, sales to list price ratio almost 109%, while days on the market dropped down to 18 days and days of inventory dropped down to 21. Now let's flip to the condo side. Median price rose up to 870K or 2.4%, while average jumped up to 957 for an increase of 2.5. Number of sales rose to 422 for an increase of 23.4%, while pending jumped up to 587 at 19%. Active at 414, sales to list price ratio at 103%, days on the market and days of inventory remain unchanged at 29 days. So if you would like more information, DM me below. Thanks for watching.